Upper back, low back, and neck. All right, let's take a look. Of course, we've got some nice shoes on. Rocking the Jordans. So that right side's shorter. We're going to adjust that one first. So lay on your left side facing me. And bring this arm just like that. This leg's coming up. There we go. Right here. Good. You felt that? Me too. Let's go on your other side. We're going to bring the left hip downward. So that means we need to bring this knee up even higher. Right through here. Good. And let's go back onto your stomach. We'll recheck. Make sure those Jordans are lined up. That's perfect. Nice. Okay, and we do need to do extension up through here. So L1, extension. There's some tightness up there. You feel that? So we'll get that when you're on your back. Let's flip onto your back. And, yep. Assume the position. Nice deep breath in. And let it go. Perfect. We got them all. And let's see. Is that tender when I press there?
Yeah.
So that's the one, C2, that's rotated on your x-rays. So we're going to go right here and adjust that into rotation. Right here. Good. How's that?
Better.
Better? Good. And let's check lower. That's where we need extension. Tender when I press through these?
Yeah.
Both sides?
Right.
Got it. Okay. So we're going to go on the right side here. And how's that?
Yes.
Okay. And then let's work on these traps. Just want to bring the head up just like that. Good stretch.
Yeah.
How's the music coming along?
That's good. That's good.
Good?
How to get this man's number, you know? I need some covers.
There you go. All right. Good as new. Take that for a test drive. Feeling good? Alrighty, sir.